All right, we are recording. This is our fantasy baseball mixer. These are our teams. If they're in a Major League Baseball uniform, it's a no-brainer. It goes to that Major League Baseball team. If they're in a Panini product with just a city, they'll go to the pro team of that city. If the city has more than one pro team, we'll make sure it gets to the right spot. If they're in a Leaf product or any product without Major League Baseball logos and they're a current player, it'll go to the team they're on right now. Some of that has changed. Manny Machado, if he is now a Dodger, so remember we had some trades. So it'll go to the team they're on right now. If they're still a young guy, it'll go to the organization they're with. So if they're in minor leagues for the Cubs, they'll go to the Cubs. If it's a retired player, it'll go to the professional team he had played the most seasons with. If he played for two teams the same number of seasons, the tiebreaker's total games played. Multiplayer cards, you got to own 50% or more. Two of a three-way, two of a four-way, three of a six-way, four of an eight-way, so on and so forth. If we get any points or non-baseball cards, random to everybody in the break. And I think that's everything. Good luck, everybody. We got a 15 Bowman Jumbo and a 17 Fire. Jacob DeGrom. That's a pretty cool looking card. DeGrominator. Base. DeGrominator. That's a pretty cool card. I don't know if probably not real rare, but it's a pretty neat looking card. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Are you guys going, Reeves? Are y'all going down there? I forgot all about that. Cool. Have fun. I'll talk to you tomorrow or Monday. I forgot all about that. They've been advertising it something fierce, too. Rookie. Bowman first. For the White Sox. Is he any good, Kevin? Francelis Monteris for the White Sox. Prospect autograph, some extra ink. Okay, well, I'll be here. I'm not... Well, call me. I'll be here. I'm going to go watch Equalizer 2 sometime tomorrow. But give me a call, I'll call you in the morning. He's not any good. Thanks, Kevin. For the Dodgers, Corey Seager, 5-star on card. Corey Seager for Los Dodgers. No crybabies. And we have a 9/5/10 purple for the Brew Crew, Corey Ray. Draft picks, 2016 Bowman Chrome, draft picks, autographs, purple refractor. Corey Ray, 9/5/10. It's numbered to 250. Is he any good, Kevin? Who are my prospectors in here? I never know if prospectors are good or not. I only know veteran guys. I like veteran guys. I like Hall of Famers. That's always the way I've collected baseball, is Hall of Famers and stuff like that. Okay prospect, EDRX man. Eric says he's okay. Who has the Brew Crew? Maria. Goodness gracious, Maria. Maria, please save some hits for everybody else tonight. Please. Bowman Best. And Optic. Last year's Optic? I think it's 16. What's up, Rizzo Rides again? How you doing? You Darvish, Prism, and Albert Pujols. Insert. Insert. Base. All right, our first two hits from Series 3. Gary Sanchez to 110. 59 of 110. Gary Sanchez from Tier 1. This year's Tier 1. And our Chicago Cubs Gem Mint 10. Ian Happ. Gem Mint 10 for the Cubbies. PSA Gem Mint 10. Ian Happ for the Cubbies. Beat the row. Back to Series 2. First hit in the second box. Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. Ian Happ for the Cubbies. That was the second box. Anything for you, Will. Anything for you. I don't think Will has volume. Looks like 16 Optic. Oh. Well, anything for you then, Will. Oh yeah, your wife's in bed already. I forgot it's past oh my. Oh my. This might be a spectacular box. I never quite understood those things. Yeah, I know. I didn't think about how late it was, Will. I didn't think about how late it was. For the Cincinnati Reds, on-card autograph for the Cincinnati Reds, John Lamb. Then we got a rated rookie and a rated rookie Prism. All right, first hit. Very nice. For the Phillies, Brother Craig. Hey, are you a Phillies fan too, Paul? I know you're a big Eagles fan. If you're a Phillies fan, that's a pretty nice card for you, Steve Carlton. I know you're a big Eagles fan. Oh, my. Mr. Blaine. Say, what up, Mike Trout? Wow. Bowman's Best 2017 Mike Trout Gold Refractor to 50. Gem Mint 10. I told you it might be a really good box. Lane might already be asleep. 35 of 50. Gem Mint 10. Gold Refractor Mike Trout. That's better than a kick in the teeth. That was a hell of a box. Steve Carlton and Mike Trout. All right, second box. More graded action. There's a lot of graded stuff in this. I picked good boxes out of these cases, huh? I give myself all the credit. Nah, just kidding. Just joshing with y'all. $17 Bowman Platinum. Corey at CWK is like, damn. Base. My least favorite cards in the whole wide world. Jeter, insert. Bryce Harper, insert. Ugly base. All right, this looks like an old guy. For the Boston Red Sox, 49 Bowman, Johnny Pesky. Well, you know what they say. If one Mike Trout is good, two Mike Trouts has to be better. 2016 Topps Legacy Mike Trout Lasting Imprints Auto. PSA DNA Cert Auto 9. Number 21 of 25. That's what happens when you do mixers once in a while. Something like that happens. I looked down and saw that Mike Trout again. I was like, no, we got a Mike Trout in both? We got a Mike Trout in both series. Unbelievable. Congratulations, Blaine. Isn't it a rule that if you get two of any card, that you share one with Fudd? Yeah, that's sort of why I like to do mixers, because stuff like that can happen. You're probably not going to get two Mike Trouts in a sealed case unless you get one. Like, we've got two Steph Currys out of basketball, but one of them was in an extra pack. Now, I'm 100% playing with you, Blaine. I would never take anybody's cards. I was just joshing. Who had the Red Sox? That Red Sox was a decent hit, too, I thought. I like the old stuff. This one is not a Mike Trout. The graded card is not Mike Trout. FYI, it is not Mike Trout. Looks like 14 Elite. Greg Allen to 200. Dummy card, base. This might be a single card. Is it going to be autographed? No, it's not single. It felt like it was a thick one. Another Angels hit. Not as impressive as Mike Trout, but we got an extra autograph. It's Sean Newcomb. Bowman's Best insert. Base. Not quite as good as Mike Trout, but it is a hit. All right. Last two hits from Series 2. For the Colorado Rockies, John Gray. 10 of 25 relic autograph. For the Rockies, Master Pizza. And 2011 Bowman Sterling George Springer Prospect Autograph Gem Mint 10 for the Astros. Guess who has the Astros? Mr. Blaine. Last box. Hey, I don't think there's graded in this one. Blaine's having himself a break. Oh, nice. 17 Ultimate. There'll be 3 hits in there, and 16 Heritage High Number. Maybe we'll get a Derek Jeter autograph out of there. For the Angels, Albert Pujols Clubhouse Collection. Rookie. Blaine is on fire. All right, let's see what's going down in here. Carlos Zambrano to 450. Victor Martinez for the Indians. Ryan Braun for the Brewers, rookie autograph. Not bad. And Ryan Zimmerman for the Nationals. Not numbered. Ryan Braun, rookie autograph out of an extra pack. That's not too bad. I know he's not the most popular guy in the world, but it's better than getting somebody you never heard of. Blind squirrel, whatever, Blade. Last two hits. Alex Verdugo, Bowman Best autograph refractor for the Dodgers. And the Vladinator. Oh my goodness, he's in an Angels uniform. Vlad Guerrero in an Angels uniform. 3-color patch. 11 of 15. Jesus, Blaine. That's insane. Well, that's why you do mixers. That's why you do mixers. Things like that can happen in a mixer. Is there anybody interested in basketball? Because I could finish it tomorrow unless, if we don't have enough interest to do it, I can finish it tomorrow night. I'll stay on and do it if there's people interested in doing it, but man, I thought it would have filled first. I love the stuff myself. I have a couple spots in it. It looks like that's gonna die out for the night, so I'll finish the other half of the Spectra. We'll do tomorrow, and I have one more football mixer, and that's really all I have. I think we can either do a football mixer or a fantasy football case. I have a fantasy football case too, so I don't know. Fantasy's been pretty hot. We'll see.